Your morning routine sets the tone for your entire day. Exposure to natural sunlight helps regulate hormones and sleep cycles. Drinking warm water after waking supports digestion and hydration. Gentle stretching improves circulation and posture. A healthy breakfast fuels your cells and keeps you energetic. Small morning habits can protect your youth for years. Nighttime is when your body heals. Dim lights an hour before bed to prepare your brain for sleep. Avoid screens to protect melatonin levels. Wash your face gently and moisturize before sleeping. Deep breathing lowers stress hormones. A peaceful night creates a youthful tomorrow. Facial massage improves blood flow and relaxes facial muscles. Use clean hands or a face roller. Move upward and outward in slow strokes. Do this for 5 minutes daily to support skin tone. Consistency makes the biggest difference. The sun damages collagen and causes dark spots. Apply sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy. Wear hats and sunglasses outdoors. Avoid peak sunlight hours when possible. Protecting your skin today keeps it youthful tomorrow.